This is how you do the journals for drama. Go to the modules, open up the week that we are on. This week it's week 1. And you can read the directions, and I'll also explain it to you. So you are going to click Start Entry. Once the text box opens, scroll up so that you can see this table, and it says copy and paste this table. Highlight over it, press Control-C, scroll back down, click into the box, and press Control-V. Drag out the box so it's as big as your text box, and go to the day that we are on. Since today is Tuesday, this is where I would write my journal entry for today. And then go to the bottom once the time is up and say save. Every day we are going to do a journal, and it lasts 5 minutes, and you are responsible to just write while that's going on. I will project up a picture that could be a prompt for you to write, or you can choose to just write about anything you want, sort of like a free write. So you can either write about whatever you want, or you can write about the picture for the day. The picture for the day is always going to be listed on the daily schedule. So if you miss a day and you want to make up some journals, you can go back to the daily schedule, has the dates on it, and open up the picture. The picture will show up, and that is the prompt for that day. Now, at the end of the week, once you have written an entry for every day of week 1, that is when you would click submit. So since today is Tuesday, tomorrow, when I come back to school, I would open up week 1 again, press edit, and go to Wednesday and write down my journal for that day, and then press save. And on Friday of this week, that is when I would click submit.